In today's video, I am going to teach you how to hide your Squarespace site from search results. This is a useful setting if you do not want search engines like Google to index your website right now. For example, you might still be building your site, making private updates, or preparing content before it is ready for the public. Squarespace gives you a simple way to block search engine crawlers directly from your site settings, and the process only takes a moment. Start by logging into your Squarespace account and opening your website dashboard. Make sure you are on the correct site if you manage more than one. The dashboard is where you control the main settings and features for your website, so this is the best place to begin. Once you are in the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click on Settings. This section contains many of the broader controls for your website, including options related to visibility, security, and search behavior. If you are following along carefully, take a second to confirm that you are inside the main settings area before moving on. Next, click on Crawlers. This is the section that controls how search engines interact with your Squarespace site. Search engine crawlers are automated tools that scan websites and help add them to search results. By changing this setting, you are telling those crawlers not to index your site. Inside the Crawlers section, find the box next to Block Search Engine Crawlers and check it. This is the key setting for hiding your Squarespace site from search results. Once this box is selected, your site will send a signal asking search engines not to crawl and index your pages. Keep in mind that this helps prevent your site from appearing in future search results. But if pages have already been indexed, it can take some time for search engines to update their listings. After you check the box, go to the top left corner and click Save. This is an important final step because the setting will not be applied until you save your changes. Once saved, your updated crawler preference will be active. That is the full process. Log into Squarespace, open Settings, go to Crawlers, check Block Search Engine Crawlers, and save the change. This is a quick and effective way to keep your site out of search results while you work on it behind the scenes. And that is all there is to it.